Why is my doorbell camera offline and how do I fix it?
Hello, viewers. If you're wondering why your doorbell camera has gone offline and are looking for solutions to fix it, you've come to the right place. In this guide, we'll walk you through some common reasons and solutions to help you get your camera back online. Let's dive in.
Why is my doorbell camera offline?
Understanding the reasons behind a doorbell camera going offline is crucial for effective troubleshooting. Here are a few common reasons. 1. Power issues. If the doorbell camera is not getting power, it will go offline. This might be due to a power outage, a tripped circuit breaker, or other power-related issues. 2. Wi-Fi connectivity. A weak or lost Wi-Fi connection can also lead to your doorbell camera going offline. 3. Device malfunctions. Occasionally, there might be issues with the camera itself or its firmware. 4. Account and subscription issues. Some doorbell cameras require active subscriptions or account connections to stay online.
How do I fix it?
Is the power source working? 1. Check for power outages. Confirm there's no power outage in your area. 2. Inspect circuit breaker. Ensure the breaker hasn't tripped. 3. Physical examination. Look for any visible damage to the doorbell or its wires. Is my Wi-Fi connection stable? 1. Router restart. Often, a simple restart of your router can resolve connectivity issues. 2. Check Wi-Fi strength. The camera might go offline if it's too far from the router. Consider getting a Wi-Fi extender or moving the camera or router closer together. 3. Update password. If you've changed your Wi-Fi password recently, make sure to update it in your doorbell camera settings. Are there device-related issues? 1. Restart the camera. Sometimes, simply restarting the doorbell camera can help. 2. Firmware update. Check if there are any firmware updates available for your doorbell camera and update if necessary. 3. Factory reset. If other solutions don't work, consider doing a factory reset. Remember to back up any data before doing so. Have you checked your account? 1. Log in again. Sometimes logging out and logging back into the camera's app can resolve the issue. 2. Subscription status. Ensure that any required subscriptions are active and paid for. Dealing with an offline doorbell camera can be frustrating, but with these troubleshooting steps, you're well on your way to finding a solution. We hope this guide has been helpful, and remember to always refer to your device's manual or customer support if you're unsure about any steps. Happy troubleshooting!